Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Currently, cryptocurrencies have been on a downward trend, taking dips further and further, a trend that has been continuing for weeks in the crypto platforms. These prices can be observed on coinmarketbase, a site that displays the movements and asset worth of several crypto coins, as many tend to be disturbed about the current situation experienced in the community, while a few are taking a chance to buy the dip. Cardano seemed to have a ray of spotlight headed its way, as it's been announced that the crypto coin will be added to Europe's biggest exchange platform. It's already known by the community how important it is and essential that coins be added to larger platforms, as it plays a great role at enhancing the worth and accessibility to such coins while exposing them to a wider demand space. That said, with the current downflux of Cardano's price, and with many still questioning the future for this altcoin and whether it's going to explode in the future, this new venture for Cardano with Europe's biggest exchange platform is big news for the Cardano crypto community and its aspirants. So, when is Cardano going to be traded on Europe's biggest exchange platform, and how does it affect the outcome? In today's video, we're going to be looking into the collaboration with Cardano and Bitstamp, one of the biggest crypto exchange platforms in Europe, and what to expect as Cardano gains more recognition by the world. Stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss out on all the awesome information about this new venture for Cardano and what to expect. Before we begin, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated in the world of investing. Although Cardano made news just months ago, as many hailed it for its unbelievable $3 mark, the coin sits at a pretty low price of $1.25. Due to change with time. The coin is at 6th place from the top, and for the most part it's still going strong, though it did drop the market cap level down to $40 billion. That being said, Cardano is currently on a downward movement, which may seem worrisome to many in the crypto space, Cardano in particular. But still, many crypto enthusiast sites and channels have expressed their hopes for this coin to blow back up and pick up some steam. They've been projecting a $5 goal for Cardano in the years to come. With all those projections in mind, the connection between Cardano and Bitstamp really tends to shed more light and hope for the situation. Bitstamp is one of the most important and well-served crypto exchange platforms, trusted especially by the European crypto community. Being based in Luxembourg, the company trades and exchanges crypto of many different varieties and assets. Crypto investors can easily withdraw and deposit tokens from various crypto coins, just like US dollars, euros, Great British Pounds, Bitcoin, Algo, XRP, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XLM, Link, OMG Network, USD Coin, or PAX. The platform was founded by Nek Kodrik and Damijan Merlak. Wow, hope I got those names right. But it's been in operation ever since its inception way back in 2011. On further review, many crypto enthusiasts have researched the legitimacy of this platform and have only got good things to say about it and the site, like this article review from Business Insider, whose overall rating of the platform was 4.04 out of 5. Or site review from the BitDegree post, which gave the platform a 4-star mark. Knowing that the accessibility of a crypto coin plays a major role in how likely it will pick up in the market and get mainstream, Bitstamp wowed the crypto community, especially Cardano holders, after announcing its plan to add Cardano onto its list on the 23rd of November 2021. The information was made on a popular social media site, Twitter, on the 19th of November. Currently, Cardano is very much accessible by any investors on Bitstamp for trading like any other platform. That said, the Cardano listing took place within 2 to 3 days from the 23rd to the 24th, in what was termed as the listing schedule. The Cardano listing schedule took 3 phases as described in the link posted by Bitstamp in their tweet. It comprises the transfer-only mode, post-only mode, and limit-only mode. For the first, transfer-only mode would allow the deposits and withdrawal of ADA on the platform. However, trading wouldn't be enabled yet until a further phase of the listing schedule. This phase took place on the 23rd of November. In the second, the post-only mode, users will only be allowed to place and cancel orders, but these would not be matched, thereby limiting the orders or leaving orders incomplete. This mode was put in place on November 24th. And for the last phase, which took place on the 24th of November, orders would be allowed and matched, and transactions would be placed as normal. There anyway would be a limitation on how many orders could be carried out on the platform. If this wasn't exciting enough news for the Cardano and crypto community, Bitstamp announced ADA pairs it would be adding to its listing would include ADA BTC, ADA and Euro, and ADA USD. This movement seems to be in line with the plans of Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, for the developed token. It's already been announced by the team and parent company behind the creation of Cardano that they do intend to carve their way through the markets using various endorsements and collabs to make Cardano ADA mainstream. And even with this, many have recognized the importance of coins like Cardano and how it holds in opposition to bigger names like Bitcoin. But before you go any further, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date on what's going on with the crypto community. Many concerns were raised, especially with the ongoing crisis of climate change and other environmental effects that have caused or contributed carbon emissions into the air. With Bitcoin being the highest coin with the largest carbon emission, and Cardano contributing about 1% of what Cardano does, this placed Cardano as a very valuable commodity to consider trading as a DeFi token. Something many suspect must have led to Bitstamp's decision to add Cardano, the 6th largest crypto coin, into their platform. Now, with all that said and done, the Cardano crypto community has been offered with a larger expansive system and options to trade with tokens, keeping up with the community's high engagement and demand. In other news, Cardano might be seated at a lower rank compared to Ethereum, but Charles Hoskinson believes Cardano should rather have overtaken Ether, the 2nd largest coin in the world. This is because Cardano, he believes, takes on a much developed and better system compared to Ethereum. Now, if you've watched our previous videos about Vitalik Buterin, well, you're going to have learned about the development of Ethereum and how Charles Hoskinson was involved in its creation. Using the information about Ethereum he gained from the time he spent building the token, Charles Hoskinson designed Cardano to perfectly outmatch Ethereum, and he strongly believes the coin should be more valuable. Though there aren't any bad bonds between both creators, as Vitalik Buterin has praised Cardano, talking about how he sees potential in the coin, and in return, Charles Hoskinson praised Vitalik Buterin for his journey to maturity, and even hinted at a collaboration. It is without doubt noticeably that Cardano has been picking up steam throughout this year, and many experts and large names in the crypto community have one or two good things to say about Cardano, and how the coin has made its way through the loops into places only large coins can be safely traded. This alone puts Cardano as a stock that wouldn't be forgotten so easily. Looking further on down the line, the markets have been on a heavy downward trend, which has even affected Bitcoin, with results showing that whales are selling while investors are buying. That said, Cardano overall has been keeping a good trend in prices, not falling deeply beyond a $1 mark. This may have many investors taking notice of the coin, and it's drawn more attention to it as an asset worth adding to the portfolio. Though the volatility of the market has affected the price of Cardano, it's done a good job as showing Cardano's relentlessness in falling, and in further news, many in the community have been comparing the Cardano network to that of Ethereum and Bitcoin. On much comparison of the Cardano network with Bitcoin and Ethereum, many could clearly see why Cardano would come in as the first choice, as the addition of smart contracts to the system offered a more stable, decentralized exchange platform. It also shows the capabilities to which Cardano surpasses the likes of Bitcoin, like how Bitcoin can only handle 15 transactions per second, whereas Cardano can do 250, with a lot more room to grow. It's not a dead end for the coin to hit a low button in price. In fact, every coin at some point was met with a hard fall. The idea of a valuable coin comes from projections and capabilities of the coin to pick back up from where it left off, and grow further in the market and gain more value. With Cardano's listing on major crypto exchange platforms like Bitstamp, a door full of opportunities, accessibility, and potential is open to Cardano, and it really can be useful in helping Cardano achieve its anticipated future goals. What do you think about Cardano's listing with Bitstamp? Let us know in the comments below, and click on a video on your screen to know more about the crypto you love. See you there!